Hi, hello. This is my first filming of the year. Exciting. So today I will be using the Huda Beauty palette, the Desert Dusk palette. I know I use this a lot in a lot of my videos, but I was inspired by a couple shades. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I create, stay tuned. So I'll also be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, just one shade in here. So it will mostly be the Huda Beauty palette. But yeah, I'm very excited to film this look. I think I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. I'm trying out some new angles here. Not sure if I like it. You know what I didn't do? I didn't wash my face. Be right back. Okay, my face is washed now. So I am going to start by priming my eyes, and I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. I feel like I always skip over this step, but I guess I'll show it this time. I just really cover most of the lid in concealer. Then I'll take the Real Technique sponge and pounce it out onto my skin. This is a new angle for me. I'm trying to get used to it. You made it over here. Hello. Hello, Ote. So I really think I've been watching too many Jamie Genevieve videos because her accent is starting to stick on me. Got 2 hours to do my face, so I guess this can't really be a chatty one. So something that I do a little bit differently now is I use the E.L.F. Perfect Finish HD powder in clear. And it looks like this. It did come with a little powder puff that hangs out right under there, but I don't really use those. So I will take my Real Techniques. I've used it so many times, it's worn off. This is the Perfect in Blurring whatever brush. And I will just tap into that and then tap it all over my lid. Just get it nice and matte and powdery so that my eyeshadow blends out better. Okay, so now that that is settled, so I'm going to take, I think I'm going to take Lure, this shade right here in the Prism palette, and I'm going to pop that in my crease. Woo, that's very pigmented. I did not expect that. So yep, pop this in the crease, blend it all out. So I am just really trying to blend this all out since I hardly dipped into that color, and this is what it came out as. Maybe I need like this one right here. I'm using an R34, it's clean, and I'm gonna see if it'll just buff some of this out a little bit easier. Whatever. Okay, so that's that. Next, I think I'm going to take on the same B35 or B38, I can't remember which one this is. I'm going to go in with Musk, this brown color right here from the Desert Dusk palette. And I'm just going to put that up here. Kind of have something to blend it out with. Just give it some layers, some depth. Now, this is where I get a little bit stuck. I think what I'm going to do now is go in with Amethyst, this color right here, the very purple one right here, and go over Lure with it, make it a little bit purplier. Okay, now what do I want to do? I'm going to take Royal, the shade right next to Amethyst, this one right here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm going to apply this with my finger. There we go. Instead of the R42. Okay, so mostly purple, very purple right now. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the same R42 brush and I'm going to pick up Dimension. I'm going to pick up Dimension right here. And I'm going to layer that all over the middle of the lid area. Probably need some Fix Plus for this, actually. And just... this might be a finger applying kind of day. I think a really important part about this look is to make sure you don't make it look like you have a bruised eyelid. Anything with purples, I feel like you need to make sure it doesn't look like you have a bruise, you know? All right, so I'm just going to take my B30 whatever again and kind of blend out these edges into like the crease area. And then I'm going to take Twilight right here and pop that kind of more so in the center. Give it that kind of iridescent look. So now that that's done, I think I'm going to take Cashmere, this color right here in the corner. It's kind of got a silvery, but also a brown in it. Actually, yes. I'm just going to take my finger with it, and I'm just going to pat it right on top in the middle, like only in the middle. So that being done, I'm going to move on to my face. What I've been doing recently, I've been spraying my face first with the Quick Fix from Urban Decay. This is the sample size. And then I've been using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion, what is that, Complexion Primer. And this is smoothing and pore perfecting. It has rosehip and argan oil in it. And I'll just take like half a pump of it, not even like a full pump. And this is what it looks like. It's very thick. And I'll just put this on my problem areas. Honestly, that's like my whole face nowadays. A friend referred me to an esthetician, and I was really looking forward to going to see them because my friend's skin is amazing. But I left a voicemail and she never called me back. So I'm going to be trying out some other spots in Orlando, or I might just go to a place at home that I know is really good. Drive 2 hours for a facial, it's probably worth it. Just have so many little blemishes and I don't know where they came from. So then after that, I'll take my MAC Strobe Cream sample. I'll take a good amount and I'll rub this between my hands, and then I'll pat it all over my skin. So I have been using a new foundation. I'm really hoping it's not causing my breakouts, but I've been using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. It's like foundation and concealer, and this is in light beige. It's really thick stuff. So I've been mixing it with my CoverFX Custom Enhancer Drops in Celestial. And this kind of lightens it a little bit these lighten this a little bit. I'm gonna make a little concoction on the back of my hand. Actually, I'll do it in my little candle plate here. I do like 2 pumps of the Milani stuff. Of my Milani foundation. And then I'll do just a wee drop, or like a drop and a half of my drops. And then you just mix it on up. It's very thick and very full coverage, which at a time like this, I need it. So then I'll just take my finger, just dab it right all over my face. I'll take my R6 Morphe brush and start pushing into my face, but also kind of dragging it down so it moves onto other places on the skin. So before I hit my forehead, I'm going to take my Real Techniques Body and Complexion sponge, and I'm going to buff this out down onto my neck. Now what I'm going to do is my under eye. I'm going to be taking this on the inner corner. It's the IT Cosmetics by Under Eye Concealer. This is in the shade Medium. I'm just going to put this obviously right under my eye. That's as full coverage as I need it. Taking that same IT Cosmetics brush, I cleaned it off and got all the powder off. I'm just going to tap this all across the product and blend that all in. Oh, I look a little bit less dead now. This is wonderful. So then I'm going to take my Shape Tape, give myself a couple dots here and here, and maybe just right here. Pretty. Then I'll take this end of my Real Technique sponge and blend it out. So now that that is done, I'm going to just set it with the E.L.F. powder. Just gonna put that right here. So now I'm going to finish up my under eye, and I'm just going to take Musk, and this is an R41 brush. I'm popping this on just the bottom here. And then going with Amethyst. Just connect it all. I think I'll take a little bit of Lure. Okay. That's that for eyeshadow then. Alright, I'll do my mascara. And I am using the Grandiose Lancome mascara. Lancome Grandiose mascara, whatever. And then what I'm going to do is touch up my damn face. So I'm going to take my CoverFX drops just by themselves. And I'm going to just put like a drop of it onto my little plate here. Take my finger, stab it right here on my face. I'll just take my sponge and blend it out. And I have started to do this where I do my highlight before I do my bronzer, just because it doesn't muddy it up. I think I've said it in past videos before. Just look at it, it's just beaming. And that's how I'll do my highlight most of the time. Well, actually, you know what? I'm an idiot because I didn't put it where I wanted to on my face. So I am going to put it on my chin just to cover up this little blemish there that keeps showing through. To a little bit up here, down my nose. So before you get carried away with doing highlight, and I'm going to keep this part in the video because we all make mistakes. We forget certain parts. Okay, that's done. I'm going to powder the rest of my face with the E.L.F powder and this R13. And I'm going to make sure I focus it where I'm putting my bronzer. I'm going to try not to cover my highlight with it, but I'm going to try to put it in the places where I know I need to set my face. Like especially on the sides of my nose and like right here on my cheeks, my smile lines. Okay, so the bronzer I'm going to be using today is a throwback for me. I'm going in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer in, it's the normal one, not the light one, in case you were wondering. I'm going to take my M500 Morphe brush and put that right there. Give myself some color. Turn the heat on and it's quite warm in here now. So just to make it a little bit sharper, I'm going to go in with my R8, the flat one, and just carve out right under here. And then I'll take my foundation brush and kind of blend out anything that's too harsh. And just top this right up here in my hairline. Give me some warmth up here. I still don't know what to do about these baby hairs. And then I'm going to take it down the sides of my nose. I'm going to bronze a little bit underneath my lip because it gives it that pouty effect. So I'm going to skip ahead and do my brows. It's the same thing I've been doing with my Dip Brow Pomade and all that. So before I do that, I'm going to set my face with the All Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay. Oh, brows. I think I am going to try out some new brow products though. I mean, I love Anastasia. I'm not having any problems. I just want to expand my collection a little bit, I guess. Clear brow gel. All right, so I did just do my brows. I popped on some false lashes. These are the Ardell's. Hello from the other side. These are the Ardell Faux Mink 817s. They came in the big lookbook. I love this because they don't have every single pair at Ulta. I love these. They're like fluffier, longer, lengthier, just beautiful. So I popped these on and did my lips. I used the lip liner crayon from NYX and I think this is Mahogany. I'm like running out of it real quick. It's one of my favorite colors. And then I have it in mauve as well. And I just kind of went over my lips in that. And then I went in with the Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick. And this is in Child Star. So yeah, this is the finished look. Oh, I forgot. And for blush, I did use the Benefit Dandelion. It's this nice, really light pink color. I didn't want to do anything too much, but you know, something to give myself a little bit more color on my face. I really love purples, especially on my eyes. They apparently make brown eyes stand out a little bit more. So I really love that I've done a purple look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. I tried to, you know, be a little bit more talkative in this instead of just like cutting right through everything. I have about an hour before I have to head to work and I have to dry my uniform. So I am going to sign off here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to get notifications, just hit the little bell icon right down below over here next to the subscribe button. Give it a like if you like it, and I will be posting more first look at 2018. Looking up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.